Okay, so if we have this now and we want to turn it into an asset with a better asset template, just to clean up what we see in the attribute editor, we can do that pretty easily. So if I go to Assets, Asset Editor, I can get a list of stuff in my scene, so I just have the one now. So I pick the pipe primitive, pin it, and I get the list of everything there. What I want to do is to save a template here, so I'll call it pipe test. Replace it, and when I go to Crimson, I'm going to get a warning here, so let's reopen that. So what my pipe test looks like is just a straight dump, pretty much, of what we've got. So translate X, Y, Z, all the way down through all the custom attributes we added. Now, what I did previously was to, I left the top section intact pretty much, and then I added this default views section in here. So I can put subgroups in here, and these are going to define the different pop-outs in the attribute editor. So I did one for the transforms with translate, rotate, scale, visibility, then the form or the shape of the pipe, so controlling the radius and the sweep and whatnot, and then the poly section to control the divisions, the tessellation on it. The other thing I did, just on the one line here, just to show folks how this would work, is I added the description tag here, and this lets you put in custom pop-up help if you want it there. So let's go back into Maya, and if I go to template, I can assign a new template. We'll assign this pipe primitive here. Now I could just as easily have done that through the attribute editor. I didn't need to open up the asset editor just to do that. I only opened it to actually define the template first of all. So let's just load that, make sure that the attribute editor is aware of it. And then we're going to say use template for the views, and I'll set that to my default view that I defined there. So now as I go up here, you can see my transform, my form, and my polys. And the pipe length was the one that I added the pop-up help on, and you can see how that popped up there as we expect. So hopefully this quick overview of the template files makes sense, and you can use that if you need it.